If fx is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, find x, find fx into fy. Fx is a function matrix, so fx into fy is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 into cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. This is further equal to cos x into cos y, cos x cos y plus minus sin x into sin y, minus sin x into sin y, 0 into 0 plus 0. Now sin x, cos x into minus sin y, this becomes cos x minus sin y, minus sin x into cos y plus minus sin x into cos y, 0, 0 into 0, 0, cos x into 0, 0, minus sin x into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Now sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y, 0 into 0, 0, sin x into minus sin y, plus cos x into cos y, 0 into 0, 0. This is further equal to 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1. This is 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Now 0 into cos y, 0, 0 into sin y, 0, 1 into 0, 0. This sin y into 0, 0, 0 into cos y, 0, 1 into 0, 0, again 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Here it becomes cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. This is minus sin y cos x minus sin x cos y 0. This is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y 0. This is 0, 0, 1. Now we know that two formulas of sin a plus b and cos a plus b. Sin a plus b, sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. These two formulas we will follow here. So following those formulas we will get here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So it becomes cos x plus y, here minus as a common, then it becomes sin x plus y 0. Here it is sin x again, this is sin x plus y, and this is taking cos x cos y before minus sin x sin y. This becomes cos x plus y 0 0 0 1. So this is the answer. Example A, matrix A is equal to 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 and I is equal to 1 0 0 1. I is an identity matrix. Find K when A square is equal to KA minus 2I. So firstly we will find A square. 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 equal to 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 4 minus 8, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 4 into 3 12, minus 2 into 4 minus 8, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. This is equal to 9 minus 8 1, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, 12 minus 8 4, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. This is A square. Now A square is equal to K A minus 2I. A square we have A square 1 minus 2 4 minus 4 is equal to K, and we have A 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, we have I 1 0 0 1, 1 4 minus 2 minus 4 will bring, I am bringing this to this side, 2, this becomes plus, to the other side 1 0 0 1, and it is K, it is K 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, 1 minus 1 minus 2 4 minus 4 plus 2 0 0 2 equal to K 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, and it is further equal to 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 0 4 plus 0 4 minus 4 2 equal to K 3 4 minus 2 minus 2, and it is equal to 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 equal to K 3 minus 2 4 minus 2. Let's say this matrix and this matrix is equal. So if I put 1 here, it will be same. So this implies k is equal to 1. Example, solve for x and y. The first matrix is 3 minus 4 1 2. Another matrix x y is equal to 3 11. We'll solve it. 3 minus 4 1 2 x y 3 11. We multiply these two matrices. This is of 2 into 2 order and this is of order 2 into 1. So the matrix will become 3 into x, 3x plus minus 4 into y, minus 4 into y. Now 1 into x, 1x plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 3 11. Is further equal to 3x minus 4y x plus 2y is equal to 3 11. This is equal to, from this part we'll get 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y is equal to 3, x plus 2y is equal to 11. We get these two equations, first and second. We multiply the second equation with 2. We'll get 3x minus 4y is equal to 3, and the second equation, the first equation is this, the second will become, after multiplying with 2, 2x plus 4y is equal to 22. We'll do the elimination method. 5x is equal to 25. 5x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So the value of x is 5, and putting the value of x in the equation 2, it becomes 5 plus 2y is equal to 11, 2y is equal to 11 minus 5, 2y is equal to 6, and y is 6 by 2, so y becomes 3. Now the example is A. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to I, where I is an identity matrix, then find the simplified value of A minus I whole cube plus A plus I whole cube minus 7A. Here we will follow two formulas, algebraic formulas. One is A minus B whole cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. The other one is A plus B, A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. A minus I cube plus A plus I cube minus 7a. Here we will follow this one. It becomes a cube plus I minus I cube minus 3 into a square I plus 3ai square plus this becomes a cube plus I cube plus 3a square I plus 3ai square plus and plus minus 7a. It becomes here, this is minus I cube, this is plus I cube, this is minus 3a square I, this is plus 3 square I. We'll cut it off. This is a cube 2a cube. Now this is 3ai square plus 3ai square plus 6ai square minus 7a. I'll tell you I is equal to I square is equal to I cube, and one more thing, 2 in any matrix into I is always that matrix. AI is equal to A. So we'll get it here 2a cube plus 6a minus 7a. It becomes 2a cube minus a, and it is further equal to 2a into a square minus a. It is equal to 2a into I minus a. AI is a, 2a minus a, which is further equal to a. So simplified value is a.